you see the flock of pigeons? Gray or white is the color of the pigeons. Can you see the flock of pigeons eating grains and seeds?
Hey my smart kids, how are you all? Kids, have you enjoyed this song? It was about birds, right? And why ma'am is singing the song related to birds? Because today in EVS we are going to learn about birds.
Hey kids, let's know about birds. This is an eagle. Eagle is the bird which can fly very high in the sky. It has very sharp eyes, huge wings and large beak. See who is coming. Yes, our national bird peacock. It has very beautiful and colorful feathers. Kids, do you know when it rains, peacock opens its feathers and dances in the rain. These are hens. They are kept for their eggs. Say this green colored bird. It is a parrot. It has red beak and black collar. Parrot can mimic human voice. हम जैसा बोलते हैं वैसा वो कॉपी कर सकता है. Crow. Crow is black in color and it has harsh voice. But crow is an intelligent bird. Children, have you seen this bird around your house? Yes, it is a sparrow. They are very small in size. This is a pigeon. You must have seen pigeon making nest around your house. Oh, can you see kids how big this bird is? It is an ostrich. It is the biggest bird. It cannot fly, but it runs very fast. And these are penguins. Penguins are a group of aquatic birds. They also cannot fly in the sky. And this is an owl. Kids, all the birds go back to their nest and sleeps at night. But owl can see at night, so it searches for food at night. And kids, owl can rotate its head fully. Children, different birds have different types of beak which help them to eat their food. In the same way, birds are having different kinds of feet. Children, birds fly with their wings and all the birds are having different kinds of wings. सबकी wings अलग अलग टाइप की होती है. Kids, do you know in summer season rivers, ponds, lakes dry up? At that time, birds do not get water to drink. So kids, you should put a bowl of water on your terrace or porch of your house. And kids, जैसे हमको हमारी फ्रीडम पसंद है, वैसे बर्ड्स को भी खुले आसमान में उड़ना पसंद है. So, we should not put them in cage.
Let us learn spellings of a few birds. The first spelling we have is C-R-O-W, crow. You already know that we always split and learn the spelling. So, C-R-O-W, crow. C-R-O-W, crow. D-U-C-K, duck. D-U-C-K, duck. D-U-C-K, duck. O-W-L, owl. O-W-L, owl. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Children, as you have learnt the spelling of carrot in vegetables, you just have to replace C with P and you get P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. H-E-N, hen. You have also learned the spelling of hen in E-sound words. H-E-N, hen. C-O-C-K, cock. C-O-C-K, cock. C-O-C-K, cock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. Children, you have learned the spelling of P in vegetables. P-E-A-P. And you just learned the spelling of cock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock.
Kids, in your EVS book, on page number 5555, we have birds. Birds fly in the air. मतलब birds कहाँ उड़ सकते हैं? हवा में. Birds have beaks to eat and wings to fly. Children, with what do you eat? Yes, we eat with our mouth. And birds के पास beaks होती है खाने के लिए और birds के पास पर होते हैं fly करने के लिए. Most birds are colorful. बहुत सारे birds एकदम कलरफुल होते हैं, रंग बिरंगे. Eagle, peacock, hen, parrot, crow, sparrow, pigeon, ostrich, owl. On page number 56 we have playway exercises. Number 1. Who am I? I am the national bird of India. Yes, peacock. So we will write it here. Script letters P, E, A, C, O, C, K, peacock. I am a green bird with a black collar. I can speak. Yes, parrot. P A R R O T, parrot. I am a black bird. My voice is harsh. Yes, crow. C R O W, crow. Number 2. Color the following birds. Children, here we have the picture of a hen and a parrot. You can color them as you like and complete this exercises.
Children, in your EVS book, give the heading birds and we'll write the spellings. The first spelling is cock. C-O-C-K. Cock. Here you have to write the spelling for 5 times. Leave some space and paste the sticker of cock. Then the next spelling is crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. In the same way, spelling for 5 times and then here the sticker. On the next page, duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. The next spelling is hen. Very easy. H-E-N. Hen. Spelling for 5 times and here the sticker. On the next page, owl. O-W-L. Spelling 5 times and here the sticker. The next spelling is parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. On the next page, the last spelling, that is peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. Write the spelling for 5 times, leave some space and here paste the sticker of peacock. On the next page, give the heading birds and we'll write all the spellings together one time. Give the number 1. The first spelling was cock. So here we will write C-O-C-K. Cock. Give number 2 and write crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. Number 3, duck.
D U C K, duck. Number 4, hen. H E N, hen. Number 5, owl. O W L, owl. Number 6, parrot. P A R R O T, parrot. Number 7, peacock. P E A C O C K, peacock. In the same way, you have to complete in your book. Bye bye, children.